In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the oil in this Case 644 loader tractor with a 14 horse Kohler K321 engine. You're going to need straight 30 weight oil. It takes 1.5 quarts. You're going to need something to catch the oil, and you're going to need a funnel to put the oil in it. I've already ran the tractor for about 10 minutes, so the oil's nice and warm. It's not really hot, it's just warm. So I'm going to show you how easy it is. Follow along. So the drain plug is going to be on the starter generator side of the engine. The plug is right here. Yours may vary from mine, but mine just has a bolt in it and takes a 1/2 inch socket. So we'll go ahead and loosen this up. And then you're going to let all this oil drain out. Now I also like to pull the fill cap just to allow for better drainage. Well, the fill cap is right here. We'll go ahead and pull that. Maybe. There it comes. Set that aside, and now we'll just let it all drain out. And then for a funnel, I like to use one of these transmission filter funnels. They're kind of long, skinny. They fit in a wide variety of cars, trucks, and tractors. And then go ahead and add your 1.5 quart of straight 30 weight oil. Once you have your 1.5 quarts of oil in there, go ahead and replace your fill cap, start up the motor, and let it run for 10 minutes. Clean off your dipstick, put it back into the motor and make sure it's seated. Pull it out and check to make sure that the level is full. Congratulations, you just finished changing the oil in your Kohler 14 horse K321 engine. It should be good for several hours now. I usually go about 20 hours, or I do it every spring and fall. Thanks for watching.